I am going to show you a great way for your kids to eat spinach. First, you thaw the spinach and squeeze out the excess liquid. You cut the artichokes and you mix in a bowl the cream cheese with olive oil and the mozzarella cheese. Add the Parmesan and mix everything well until combined. Pour it into baking dish and sprinkle a little extra Parmesan cheese on top. Bake for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees or until golden brown. You can serve the dip with crackers, chips, or crusty bread.